Let's animate the shape that we created before. Open content, rectangle. I will quick explain what we want to do. At first, we will combine all of them in one point, then they will fly in different directions like splashed. For this, open rectangle path. Here we have position. We can change positions, they are moving symmetrically. Let's combine them. Now they are together. The number on your position can be different. Play with numbers to combine them. Now go to begin of composition, click on stopwatch to make keyframe, go to 20 frame and increase value of position. Go to begin of composition again. Let's add keyframes to scale. Write 0 now. Go to 20th frame. Write 100. Let's see what we did. Okay, let's select all keyframes. Press F9. Go to graph editor. Select last keyframes and drag it to the left. Very nice. We also need one thing. We want to see it dissolved at the end. For this, go to begin. Open stroke. Put keyframe when stroke is 10. Go to end, I mean 20 frame, and make it 0. Let's play back. That's much better. Also select these keyframes. Press F9. Go to graph editor and make curve like this. And we get this. I will show you one more thing. We can also add a rotation. Just now, when you will rotate it, it will rotate based on anchor point. If you will rotate it now, it will rotate now, not symmetrical. As you see, it's not on the center. For making it in the center, go to layer, transform, center anchor point in layer content. Choose it. Now it's on the center. Now if we will rotate it, it will rotate symmetrically. Alright, let's go to 0 frame. Put keyframe, go to 20 frame and change numbers. If on your comp it's 0, add about 80-70 degree. You can choose your custom numbers. Just play with numbers to make it. Then select the keyframes, press F9, go to graph editor and make curve like this. Very nice. We get some splash.